Hi, I'm Dr. Vida, a nutritionist. Today I'm going to share a very healthy recipe with you. Turn on subtitles. I'm translating into all languages. 1 cucumber. Benefits of cucumber for men's health and libido recovery. Supports hydration. Cucumber is 95% water, which helps maintain blood volume and circulation. Rich in antioxidants. Contains flavonoids and tannins that reduce oxidative stress, which can damage testosterone-producing cells. Aids vascular health. The potassium in cucumber supports healthy blood pressure, improving blood flow to sexual organs. Boosts prostate health. Cucumber contains lignans that may protect prostate tissue from inflammation. Supports testosterone balance. Silica and magnesium help maintain hormonal function. Ginger root. Cut the ginger 1/2 inch. Benefits of ginger for men's health. Supports testosterone production. Studies show ginger may stimulate hormone release in the testes, improves sperm quality, enhances sperm count, motility, and viability in clinical and animal studies. Boosts blood circulation. Ginger promotes vasodilation, improving blood flow to reproductive organs. Acts as a powerful antioxidant. Protects testicular and prostate cells from oxidative stress. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lower testosterone and harm reproductive health. Supports heart health. Lowers blood pressure and cholesterol, improving overall circulation. Stabilizes blood sugar. Balanced glucose levels help maintain hormonal balance and energy. Now take it in a blender cup. By the way, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear. Add 1 cup of water. Please press the like button. Blend all these ingredients together using a blender, or any similar tool you have, until it turns into a smooth mixture or smoothie. Once it's well blended, pour it into a glass. Drain it.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it
We will need 1 lemon. Benefits of lemon for men's health and libido. Boosts testosterone levels. Lemon helps lower cortisol, which supports healthy testosterone production. Now add 1/2 a lemon juice.
artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be.
A spoonful of honey. This will improve the flavor and add many useful elements. Honey is nature's elixir. It provides energy, fights infections, and promotes overall wellness. And you're ready to enjoy this energy drink and feel its amazing benefits.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button.